Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Who was the German astronomer who discovered in the early 17th century that the planets orbit the Sun in ellipses? Is it A. Nicholas Copernicus, B. Johannes Kepler, C. Tycho Brahe, or D. Galileo Galilei? The answer is B. Johannes Kepler.
Johannes Kepler, the brilliant German astronomer, revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos by discovering that planets travel in elliptical orbits. His laws of planetary motion laid the groundwork for Newton's theory of gravitation. Interestingly, Kepler's mother was accused of witchcraft during his lifetime, but he successfully defended her in court.
Question 2. According to Boyle's law, what increases when a gas is compressed to half its size? Is it A. Luminescence, B. Pressure, C. Volume, or D. Temperature? The answer is B. Pressure.
Boyle's law, discovered by Robert Boyle in the 17th century, reveals that when you compress a gas to half its volume, its pressure doubles. This principle is why your ears pop during airplane takeoffs and landings. Air pressure changes rapidly as altitude shifts, squeezing or expanding the air in your ear canals.
Question 3. What is edaphology the study of? Is it A. The influence of soil on life, B. Bacteria and fungal spores, C. Classical music, or D. The characteristics of the skull? The answer is A. The influence of soil on life.
Edaphology delves into the fascinating relationship between soil and living organisms, exploring how different soil types can influence plant growth, animal habitats, and even human agriculture. This field helps us understand why certain crops thrive in specific regions and how soil health impacts ecosystems and biodiversity across the globe.
Question 4. On the Internet, what file extension is used for the content of web pages? Is it A.php, B.js, C.css, or D.html? The answer is D.html.
The .html file extension stands for Hypertext Markup Language, the backbone of web pages. It was first proposed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. HTML allows users to create structured documents by denoting structural semantics like headings, paragraphs, and links, essentially transforming the Internet into a vast library of interconnected information.
Question 5. What is the name of the first spacecraft to land on the Moon? Is it A. Sputnik 1, B. Apollo 11, C. Gemini 6, or D. Voyager 1? The answer is B. Apollo 11.
Apollo 11's lunar module, named Eagle, made history on July 20, 1969, when it touched down on the Moon. As Neil Armstrong descended its ladder, he famously declared, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," marking a monumental achievement in human exploration and technological prowess.
Question 6. What is a terrapin? Is it A. a vegetable, B. a turtle, C. a volcanic rock, or D. a type of cloud? The answer is B. a turtle.
Terrapins are fascinating creatures that straddle the line between freshwater and saltwater habitats. Unlike their fully aquatic turtle cousins, terrapins often bask on land and are known for their diamond-patterned shells. These adaptable reptiles can be found in brackish waters, making them unique among the turtle family for thriving in such environments.
Question 7. What is the name of the second largest planet in our solar system? Is it A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, or D. Uranus? The answer is B. Saturn.
Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is famous for its stunning rings composed of ice and rock particles. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. This gas giant's density is so low that it's less than water, making it the ultimate cosmic floater.
Question 8. The moons Deimos and Phobos orbit which planet in our solar system? Is it A. Venus, B. Saturn, C. Mars, or D. Earth? The answer is C. Mars.
Mars is orbited by two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are named after the Greek mythological twins associated with fear and panic. These potato-shaped celestial bodies are thought to be captured asteroids from the nearby asteroid belt, making them unique companions in Mars' cosmic dance.
Question 9. What is the word for male pig? Is it A. a boar, B. a bull, C. a hob, or D. a macho? The answer is A. a boar.
A male pig is called a boar, and these creatures are known for their impressive tusks, which can grow up to 12 inches long. Boars have been depicted in mythology and folklore as symbols of courage and ferocity, often appearing in ancient tales as formidable opponents for heroes.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravity. Until next time, keep orbiting around those fascinating facts. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.